Yeah, listen, they have two engages, okay? They have the Green engage, the Tokhang engage. They're not yet in the same alliance, but they're gonna be in the same alliance in 2 days, maybe. Are they?
They're overcharging.
Who the fuck OC'd? Food only, food only. It's Tokhang. Like a big dog.
It's Tokhang, bro.
Level 9 only. Who the fuck is OC? I'm not gonna regear it.
The enemy.
Oh, that was me. People there.
Yes, OC. This
Kanan, di ba?
Oh, kanan, kanan.
Careful front line. Can I get info where the other guild is? The green guild. Okay, I see them. Green is level 6. They're both level 6, so they have like 40 something. Careful. I swear to God, if you guys die, so just yo, listen, ready? Shallow southeast 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow southeast, shallow southeast. Okay, where the defense is? Come back. Yeah, ready, defense out, ready, defense out. No, spread, ready. Defense shallow. Heal up fast. Yeah, the people that are homesick are dying so fast,
I told you. Yeah,
guys, heal up. Yo, heal up, squirty behind, okay? Everyone, defense shallow. Heal front line. Heal so slow. My god, the heals are so weak. The front, hello? Healers. No, but listen, can you guys just guard on the front line, right? You see how slow the DPS of the enemy Glump tank is, and no fucking guardians reacting. Inside on this tank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on this tank. Come back. They're gonna engage. Defense shallow. Heal north. Heal us.
Moving.
Yo, watch this out.
They're engaging on me, moving. Tokhang.
You guys play properly. The supports. Hello. The taps. Hello. Wake up. Don't be too deep.
Tokhang is backing off east.
They're debating. Just chill. Debating.
West ako nung
Green's looking south. I need someone to stop that. Remember, if I'm engaging on one...
Turn West Day.
Rest day. Why the fuck? Are you that deep, man?
West Day.
Wait. Bro, so bakit doon ka sa anak mo?
Doon nga siya
Okay, so... Let's say mag-dismount si shopping sa zerg ng kalaban. Problema ba natin yun?
It's okay, West Day.
Ngayon, nag-gets mo, diba? Na pag nag-dismount si shopping sa zerg ng kalaban, di natin problema yun, diba? Everyone, get ready. Headbutt. East back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt.
Demon siya.
Listen. Spread. Green looking. Spread north. Spread north. Defense shallow.
Sagasagin pa rin. Demon.
Heal.
Meron.
Go, get ready.
Another wing spot.
There.
Yeah. Defense shallow. Everyone inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside.
Popping demon.
They're trying to walk in. We have some distance.
Yeah.
Resetting. Demon golden. Ito meron pa. Sige, stun.
Spread.
Okay, go west. Ay, hindi. Tama.
CD ako.
Nasa west ako na. Yung gano'n. Garden pa.
Everyone, they're looking again.
Step up ah. Stepping up.
Okay, look at this earth rune. On the earth rune, get ready. Wait. On the earth rune. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the earth rune. Yes, he's not yet dead. Yo, come back.
Cool down ako
Hindi mo ready.
Spamming Tokhang.
Careful outside. You're friendly PA. Yo, listen, why are my tanks so deep, man?
Popping demon.
Friendly is
What? Can you guys play past the choke? Everyone spread northwest. Why are you guys playing on the choke? Can you let them engage past the choke? Man, my tanks are dying for free.
If they're homesick.
Dying for free. I'm so confused.
At yung lampas.
Just a brain rot moment, you know. Come on, get ready. Let them step up. Let them step up on the choke and just fucking hold them on the choke. We counter engage or we headbutt. That's it. We can't do the first engage. They have 2 zergs, man.
They want
You
you.
get ready, okay? They're looking.
Pwede.
You're ready. Lunod on the choke. Come on, southeast 5. Counter 4, 3, 2, 1. Counter shallow. Counter shallow. Counter shallow. Counter shallow. Now listen. Spread. They come back. Yo, give me a disengage locus coming back. Nice, hold them. Yo, they're stepping up. Listen. Just spread. Colors inside. Spread. 12 seconds. We're gonna engage. Ready your defenses. Spread further. Hold the choke. Okay, good. Just hold the choke. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. Yeah. Yo, listen. Ready. Look at the choke. Southeast. Everything on the choke. Southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Now listen. Spread. They're gonna counter. Spread. Okay.
Going on your north.
Oh no, come east here. Come east here. Come east here. Heal me. Hit me. Okay. Yo, listen. Come to me now. Stop on me. Okay. Bro, listen. Get ready to headbutt northeast. Just walk. Everyone, deep northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep northeast now. Oh, run through. We're ready defense on top of us. Listen. They're gonna counter. It's coming down. Walk up. Just walk in. Yo, tanks, get ready to just keep stopping them, okay? Just keep walking.
Hindi mo na.
Yeah, keep walking. Okay. Yo, get ready. Where's the gun? Where's the other dude?
Sige, meron ako.
South.
South, okay. You get ready. Yo, defense inside. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Now spread. Yo, green engaging southeast. Defense southeast. Heal. Walk in southeast now. Listen. Walk in southeast now. Tanks, hold them on the choke. Yo, listen. 13 seconds, we're gonna engage. Just keep holding them. Go shallow. Keep walking. Just walk in. Just walk. Hold them. 4 seconds. Hold them. Look at the inside. North side. Everything. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything north side. You're ready for the counter engage. Defend shallow. Defend everything. Where's the demons? I see 0 demons.
Hold on yung demons.
Yeah, you guys demons after they engage. Yo, careful. Defend everything. Wait.
Cool down na ako ulit
Sige mo na.
Everything on the choke northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Choke. Come back. Just stop already. Stop. Come back. Just leave. Heal up.
Top.
Ito. Heal up. Yo, this rat, heal up.
No. Kill this rat. Then hard.
Heal Aguero. Can we catch Xiaoping south side? Xiaoping on the south side. Catch him here. Kill Xiaoping here, west side. Kill Xiaoping. Yo, guardians. Ready defenses. You ready defense on top of us, huh? Might engage. Let's see. Get them.
Extra pa siya.
Small, kill the rat.
Yeah, stop already. Mount up. Xiaoping's dead.
Ito pa yung kasama.
Yeah, kill that guy. It's also under 6 day.
Alright.
Alright, GG series.
Ilang beses na interrupt yung reset ng
Oh, another one.